Hello people, in this video I'm going to show how I designed this guitar cum skateboard stand. I made a paper model first to see how it will come. So if this is a guitar, it's going to stand something like this, and if this is a skateboard, S is going to be something like this. So I can, if I buy more skateboards, I can put more slits here, and probably I can stack up to 3 skateboards on this. I still haven't decided the locking mechanism for this, so that it doesn't just go like this with weight. I'll figure that out later. So I'm going to show how I designed this and why I came up with this design now. So this is the first guitar stand that I made. It's still okay. It's just falling apart in some places. I can still fix it up and use, but this was temporary anyways, and I wanted to make a durable one. So I'm gonna make this new one which can also hold a skateboard as well as a guitar. So I have this plywood that I got from my dad, and it has a joint here. I don't know if it's visible clearly. So I have this joint here, and there's one more joint here too. So I can only use this part. I can only use this part for the main structure, and I'll probably use this one for the legs that holds the guitar together. So this is about 30 centimeters, the breadth is 30 centimeters, and the length is about 58 centimeters. So I have to work with what I have. I'll show how I came up with the design. First I'll draw the structure, the outline of the plywood that I have. So 58. So I have 58 centimeters, right? So I'm like, the scale I'm using is 1 centimeter. I'm representing as 1 mm. So 58 centimeters will be 5.8 centimeters. So, and then 30 centimeters would be 3 centimeters. Okay, so this is a plywood that I have, and I can go about in a few ways. First, I can cut this in half, exact half, and then use each half for each of the leg of the stand. But if I do that, then either this part or this part will be going to waste, and I do not want it to be wasted. I wanted to optimize the resource usage as much as possible. So before that, I want to consider one more thing. Like, say this is a guitar. Let me draw here. The strings are here. So right now, if I make a stand like this, this is approximately 45 degrees. Okay, maybe not 45 degrees, less than 45 degrees, maybe 40 degrees. So I don't want the guitar to lean this much. How much would be a good angle? Say something like this. So if I check the angle here, it is 70 degrees, 70, yeah, 68 to 70, something like that. So I want a 70 degrees inclination on which the guitar is going to stand. So I'm going to mark 70 degrees here. I'm going to draw a line. Okay, and I'm going to do this with the opposite side too. 70, and draw a line here too. And now I'm going to join these two. So there it is. I'm going to cut this two parts out, and this is like, this might go waste, but I'll probably use this for the legs, this and this, if possible. Most probably it will be possible. Otherwise I'll just use the extra part that is attached in this way, this and this. So so I came up with this. So this will fit here like this, and I think I took 75 degrees angle the last time I made this. So anyway, the guitar will stand on this part, and I'll make slit here, here, or here. Right now I'll just make one. If I buy more skateboards, I'll add more. And I'll just, after cutting these two, I'll just use a hinge. I'll use this hinge to attach these two like this, and this will make it like portable also. So in the next video I'll show how I'll actually make the physical guitar cum skateboard stand. See you in the next one.